Hi everyone, welcome back to my craft room. If you're new to my craft room, then welcome. I am working on a little project here that I've been trying to get to for a long time. I just could not find exactly what I was looking for to make it, but I finally found something that I think is going to work. So what you're going to need for this is one of these trifle containers from Dollar Tree. They sit on this cute little pedestal, and hopefully this is an easy off, and it is almost, sticker. I just wanted to show you the sticker. They have these in different colors too, if you want to do a colored one in this. So this is going to be a cute little arrangement. They have pink ones, they have blue ones you could do for like baby showers or something. That would be really, really cute. But what I want to do is I found this in the candle section. It's this really like milky looking glass, little opaque. It's really pretty. And this is going to fit right down in here like so. And then we are going to add lights. These are a set of 20 lights. I got these on Amazon. I like these because they have the little things and not those big ones like Dollar Tree, and it has double the lights too. So I think I have these in my Amazon shop. If you want to look in there underneath this video, you can find that. And then I took one of these balls, little styrofoam balls from Dollar Tree, and cut it in half. And of course I didn't cut it even, but I just cut it with this my old broken handy dandy steak knife. That's what I always cut my phone with. But that's actually going to sit down in here. I'm going to glue that in there in a minute. And then we're going to add our lights. This is just going to be so pretty. I've seen this on, I don't remember where I seen this. It was a long time ago. I don't know if it was Pinterest or just something that popped up that I saw that was something like this. I don't know how they made theirs, but this has been driving me crazy trying to find something that would fit down in here just like that because I don't want it to be high. All right, anyway, we're going to take this, and I figured the easiest way to get this to stick is we are going to use some of these Dollar Tree glue dots. Because you know what? Hot glue just does not really stick that well with glass and plastic. So I figured if I stick a few of these on here, I mean, we're not going to be moving this around or anything like that. It's not going to be, you know, like turned upside down or anything. So these should hold it just fine in this on this plastic thing. It's hot in here. These things don't even want to come off the paper. I don't blame you. It is so hot today. But I don't usually do videos this late in the day either, but like I said, they've been doing this road construction out there. It's been so noisy that I haven't been able to get hardly anything done this week. Because by the time they're done, well, it's time for us to clean our parrots' cages, and it's time for us to start worrying about dinner and stuff, so I just haven't been able to get anything done. Alright, I think 4 of these should do this just fine. Because I just need this to stay in the center of this bowl. Is what I want to do. I think I'm going to have to stand up and kind of guesstimate how that's going to go here. You also want to clean your glass off. I already cleaned this off. I used a little bit of acetone that I had here just to get any marks off. But you don't want to use a lot on this because it does kind of dull it wherever you, come off of here, wherever you put it. So there we go. We got our 4 little dots on there. All right, let me stand up because I'm going to try to center this best I can. I think that looks pretty good right there. Let's see from the bottom. Oh, not bad. I'm just going to snug that down there if I can. Whoops, I just moved it. I don't know if that's going to work either. You know what? I may have to add hot glue. Why are you not sticking? I think it's stuck now. I just don't think I had it pushed down enough. Let those little dots get stuck to the plastic. Alright, there we go. Now it's stuck good. I'm trying to wiggle it. It's not coming loose. Okay. Now this, I wonder if I got it even in there after I moved it. Well, hopefully close enough. So now this little ball here, I am going to hot glue that, and I don't think that's even whatsoever anymore. But it'll be fine. So this, I just want to put some hot glue here around this rim to hold this styrofoam ball, and I love to listen to the crackle. You just want to be careful because you don't want to get a bunch of these glue webs in here either because you'll see them. Come on, before this gets cooled. I think that should be good. I'm gonna just put some on the edge here because I don't want to lift it up again. Hopefully that's gonna hold that good. All right, we're gonna go all the way around with that hot glue just to make sure it's on that rim good. All right, so now we're gonna stick our lights in here. Hopefully these are gonna cooperate. I did kind of curl them around the way I want them to go in here, so hopefully they have some sort of memory to go back in here the way I had them. But now, of course not. Get down in there. And I don't want to glue these in here any sort of way or anything. I just want these to be like free floating in here, and they will stay down once we get our flowers on here. I may have to stick one in there just to keep you in there. There. Yeah, it's not going back in the way I had it twisted because I'm probably going the opposite way or something. All right, anyway, we're gonna get these down in here. Come here, lights. Yeah, I want them to kind of float around here. I don't think they're doing what I want them to do right now. But let's try this again. I did wrap it around that thing to make it a nice circle, but it's not going back in there that way. Not at all. But hopefully I can get these to move around nice. Get in there. And I want them mostly down towards the bottom, but all right, let's see if I can wrap this around the top of this somehow. So we have some lights at the top. I think that'll work. Let's see how we look. Oh, very pretty. Not quite floating as much as I want, but I can mess around with these a little bit more. Get some of these down in there. Oh, I think that looks pretty good right there. So this whole bottom is just gonna light up so pretty. Now this part here, I gotta, let's see, I may need to tape this because it's just gonna get in the way. But I want this to stick up through the flowers, you know, so you have a way to turn these on and off. So we're just gonna tape that on there just for now, shut them off. And then I have all these pretty roses. I love these little bitty roses that they have at Dollar Tree. You know, they have some of the really big ones, but I think these are gonna work the best. And we are just gonna go around. This may be too long. I don't wanna cut them too short, so, because I want these just to stick right on the edge of the glass, just like that. And we are just going to go around here. And I have some white ones. I don't think I'm going to use these dark red ones. I don't think they're just not going to go. So we're going to go around with these white ones. I have a little bit of this boxwood, so if you need to fill in, this stuff is wonderful. This I get at Walmart. It's not that expensive. It's $1.89, I want to say. Or it was when I got these. You never know. But I always get a bunch of those little bunches of boxwoods. All right, so I'm going to keep all the leaves on here too. So we're going to shove them all up to the top and cut them off. And we've got our pretty, pretty white ones here. I haven't seen these. I hope they're going to get more of these in. I love these. Probably fall now. They're not going to get too many in. But if you see them, grab them because a lot of times you can't find these little roses. All right. Just on the edge. This could be so pretty. Pink. So easy. This is like the easiest project to make a really, really pretty. Oh, I don't want you down in there. Get out of there. Centerpiece. Like I said, you could get the colored ones, make them for baby showers, whatever. Well, that don't have any leaves on it. I'll just show you how I'm going to do the top here, and then I'll finish cutting these off camera. This takes a little bit, and I don't want to make you watch me cut all of these off. But we're just clipping these off. Easy peasy. All right. Now let's get done here with these. A little bit closer to that one. I want this to be nice and full. So if we stick another pink one in here and then put in another white one, I think that will be perfect. That worked out nicely. Doesn't always happen, but there is the edge of it. If there's one that wants to sneak down in there, I don't want you inside. No leaves inside, just pretty lights. There. And then we are just going to start up here on the top and work our way through here. So I want this up a little bit higher, and then we're going to leave that up high like that, and then we're going to put a pink one up here, and then we're just going to fill in all the way around with these pretty flowers. This pink one up here. It's going to look almost like a topiary. I may not even need the boxwood. I don't know if I'm going to put it in here. I don't know, maybe. We might stick a couple in there. All right, so I'm just going to go in here, and I'm going to just, let me show you one more here, just so I show you how I'm going on an angle here a little bit more. All right, so that's going to go there, and then this one's going to take it on an angle. These are straight up, these are straight out on that side, and these are just going to go on a little bit of an angle, just like so, and that's going to fill that in perfect. And that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to alternate the pinks and the whites, and we're just going to go all the way around. So when I finish that, I will come back and show you. All right, I'm sticking a few of those boxwoods in there. I think they might look kind of cute. So we're just going to stick in a few. I'm not even going to glue them in. I was just going to put a little hot glue in there and just glue it onto the flowers, but I wasn't sure if I wanted them or not. So we are just going to tuck some of these in here and just see what we think. So if I decide I don't want them in there, I can just pull them out. But you know what? I think I kind of like them sticking out. I think they add a little something here. Yeah, I do. I kind of like the little greens sticking out of there. All right, so now all we got to do, I'm going to go back here and find my light switch. Oh, I got some flat leaves in there. Get out. Get out, get out, get out. I don't want them in there. I just want that to light up. I don't want any flowers on the inside. There we go. Well, there's some more that snuck in there. How did they get in there? I thought I got them all out. One more. Come out of there. I think maybe when I stuck the ones in on the top, it pushed them down a little bit. Maybe that was what happened. All right, I think I got them all out of there. So now, I need to find, now I just pushed one back in because I'm trying to get this tape off of here. There we go. All right, so now all we have to do is kind of weave these in the flowers. Whoops. So oops, I want the thing on the top. So you will know where the little switch is. You can't see it. See, it's buried right in there. And then when you're ready, let me clean all this crap up here. Let me get this stuff out of the way. And I'm going to shut those lights off to see how that looks. Because actually it's nice and cloudy out right now, so this might work. All right, so now where'd the thing go? Here it is. So there you go. There is your really pretty, let me raise you up here just a tad. Really pretty centerpiece. This is just so quick, so easy, and it just looks, I don't know, kind of magical, if you ask me. I love the little fairy lights. Now, if you want this taller, if you don't want it to sit so low on the table, I just like these cute little centerpieces on tables, I really do. But you can take 2 of these candlesticks from Dollar Tree. I know it's still dark in here. 2 of these candlesticks, get a little E6000, flip these over, glue those 2 together like so. I'm just going to hold it together because I'm not going to do this part. But let me raise you up here because you're not going to be able to see. And then you can just take this and you could glue that right on top of there, and you would have this nice, really tall centerpiece. So what a cool idea is that? You could add a little bling to this with a little bit of that diamond wrap from Dollar Tree, some of that silver, and make it really sparkly. And then you would have a nice tall centerpiece. But that is it. That was my little project for today. This was so quick and easy. There's nothing to it, and I love that milky glass in there because it just reflects the light so, so pretty. But anyway, I will take some pictures, put it at the end. But thanks so much for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this little project, and I will see you guys all next time. Have a great day, everyone.